Hey, Tech Guy Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to delete Google Gemini chat history. So when you're inside your Google Gemini account, the slow way to delete stuff is by looking at your chats on the left-hand side, hovering over them, and you can click on the three dots to delete a chat. If you want to delete a lot of chats, like your past history of chats on Gemini, click on the Activity tab. From here, by default, your chats are being stored for like up to 18 months at a time. So you can edit that if you want. If you want to delete all the history of all your chats, you can do it all in one go by clicking on the little delete tab, and it gives you some options. You can delete your activity from the last hour, last day, all time, or for a custom date range. So if that's what you want, you can go ahead and delete your chat history there. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.